Hello, I'm Lance Zimmerman with the CattleFax Closing Bell, brought to you by Zoetis. The daily USDA hide and offal value, also referred to as the drop credit, reached a new all-time high at $14.99 per hundredweight. The drop credit will likely average more than $14.82 for the week, establishing a new weekly high as well. The hide and offal value will generate an additional $201 per head for each fed animal harvested at these levels. As a reminder, the drop credit is a composite per hundredweight live price for the hide, variety meats, tallow, and meal produced from a fed steer. Hides represent around 51% of the value, and as a whole, variety meats represent around 28%. Hides have been the largest driver since the October lows, reaching new all-time highs at $103 per head. Variety meats have also improved considerably, moving to more than $55 per head in combined value. Since the early October lows, the combined value of these two categories has improved fed animal values nearly $15 per head. The hide and offal value was mostly between $165 and $185 per head through most of the last 2 years, but it has rallied nearly $25 per head in 2013. A relatively strong drop credit market offers an additional source of revenue for the packing segment. As the hide and offal value increases, it leads to additional value generated from each fed animal sold, allowing more dollars to be shared throughout the supply chain. This ultimately benefits each segment of the beef production system. The fed cattle market was mostly $1 lower this week, as cattle in the South sold for $130 to $131 per hundredweight on a live basis. Trade in the North has not been established as we go to recording. Feeder cattle prices were mostly steady to $5 lower this week, while calf values were steady to as much as $5 per hundredweight higher. Supplies continue to dwindle as the fall run passes and the holiday season begins. Cull cow offerings continue to decline as well, supporting a steady to $1 higher slaughter cow market. Box beef values ended the week lower, with buyers focused on Thanksgiving sales and promotions. And corn prices moved modestly higher this week, as sellers are keeping a tight grip on supplies after the recently lower prices. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. The pressures are real, the risks are high, but the opportunities have never been greater. So how do you sort through it all to decide which way to go? For more than 40 years, CattleFax has led the way. Become a member at www.CattleFax.com. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information, equipped with the industry's most powerful database. Our team is impartial, objective, our vision is global, and our focus is you. CattleFax, the deciding factor.